how to make photo collage on iPad. Open up your Shortcuts app on your iPad first. Inside of Shortcuts, you want to click on Gallery at the top left. Inside Gallery at the top right, you can see the search. Click on it. And in the search bar, you want to search for photo grid. So just write photo and then GRID. And the photo grid option should probably show up. If it doesn't, you can just write photo and it shows up like this, photo grid. Click on the plus right beside the photo grid at its top right. Once you add photo grid to your gallery, just click on all shortcuts over here at the left side and you will see photo grid appear. Just click on it. Inside here, what you can do is now choose however many photos you want for the grid. I'm just going to choose these 4 and then I will click on add at the top right of photo grid and it'll create a photo grid just like this, as you guys can see. Now I can click on done at the top right again to confirm this change and we're good to go. Now this photo will be available in our gallery. That's how you guys can make a photo collage on iPad. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.